PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
No obstruction, right? This can produce a high-quality shot. Many people tend to do it. The hook shot tends to be thrown off, the exaggerated throw. If it exceeds 45 degrees, that would definitely be a fault. You can have a slight tilt, but the palm must not exceed 45 degrees. This is a standard serve. Right, these key elements should be in the palm of your hand. Outside the table. Don't sink below 16 centimeters. Don't exceed 45 degrees. Strike the ball during its descent. You must possess each of these elements. No obstruction, right? This can produce a high-quality shot. This spot needs to be practiced. Once you've got this down, you need to practice the backhand short drop shot, right? Backhand short drop shot. Bend your body slightly and use your forehand to counter the short ones. And then, practice the long serve lastly. Why don't I give side spin with my forehand on the short ball? Because the side spin easily goes to the opponent's hand. Right at this point. Make him move out and change the direction. Practicing serve is not just about tossing the ball, right? Wherever it lands is where it counts. Or guide the young players. Teach them about serving. Aside from spin variations, you should also emphasize the importance of ball placement. Explain to them the reason why I serve to this spot and why I adjust the placement. You have to tell them. If you don't tell them, they won't know why. It's just serving blindly, right? Serve with left side spin. A short serve is the same as a backspin serve. I had him landed in front of his chest. Look for this position. Looking more inside is side spin. Slightly lower is side spin down. But if you want to serve side spin, you can't push forward. Although the table is in front of you, you must put power into yourself. Do you see it like this? Let's do an experiment together, okay? Look, I want to serve short. Where do I put the power? Put power on the chest area. I practiced serving here when I was all in an early stage. All still green. Let's see how the food is. Look, when it lands. Do I put power into myself? Did the ball fail to reach the opposite table? No, it still reached the opposite table, because it went in an arc like this. So, this is quite an important matter. Many kids can't serve good side spin. They found the right point. They know to hit on the inside. But when they serve, what happens? Are they pushing forward, although the ball has some side spin? Do you think the spin is strong? Not really strong. What are you essentially doing? Pushing it out. Clearly weak in spin, right? What if I decisively put power on myself? Does the spin become stronger? Oh, it does become stronger. If I want to serve long, should I wait for the ball to bounce? Where? In front of the stomach, right? The lowest bounce. Okay, where do I put power? Not downwards. I was hitting the chest just now. Where should I hit? Hit on the stomach. Where to hit? Hit on your own stomach. Where to hit? Did you hear the sound? A thud, right? Hit yourself. You see? Has it become longer? Bounced at the lowest point. Right. Then what? Put power into your stomach. Hit at the stomach's front. Put power on the stomach. Is it side spin? Do you think I side spun it? But I use my racket's 12 o'clock position to side spin. Side spin here. Oh, side spin. What if I side spin with the 11 o'clock position? The ball mostly hits the outer side at the bottom. If I side spin with the 1 o'clock position, it arcs. Do you believe that? Yes, I won't mention it. Should I side spin or arc it? 1 o'clock on the racket surface. Look at the contact point here. Oh, is that so? Is it arcing? I'll send you a disguised side spin. Okay. Oh, do you think I lifted a bit? Not side spun, right? Let's take another look. Oh, is it a disguised side spin? The second bounce was high, huh? The first bounce was low. A loud sound followed by a pop. Just contacted the ball at 1 o'clock direction. So, 11 o'clock. Throw the ball here. You should aim it towards your ear. Yes, but I am very relaxed. Why? Because I want to loop. Since you loop first, I'll loop first too. I need to quickly drop from the ear. Did it loop out? Alright. Still towards the ear. Loop slightly hidden loop, right? But what's the benefit of doing it like this? I want to loop with side spin or flip. Am I slightly higher than the ball? Yes. And your racket angle should always be slightly lower than the ball. How can you loop well? Oh, the spin will always be more than yours. Towards your ear. Then I want the loop to drop. So my racket angle will be the same. His racket angle is all here. Can't loop with the intention of creating spin towards the ear. Soft toss.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.